Many patients have questions about their hormones. Probably no more confusing topic out there right now. Hormones are extremely important for many different issues, including overall body health, metabolism, depression, anxiety, aging, menopause. You can go on and on. So balancing your hormones is very important. Testosterone, for instance, is what gives men and women libido. So can low testosterone be causing your libido issue? It certainly can. Women going through menopause, hot flashes, night sweats, mental fogginess. Again, balancing those hormones out during that time can dramatically improve their quality of life. And there are certain questions with estrogens that are, again, a lot of misinformation out there. So using bioidentical, safe hormone replacement therapy, again, is safe, can dramatically improve your life. There are other hormones that are more metabolically important. For instance, thyroid. Probably one of the most underdiagnosed, missed diagnoses in the country. So there's many reasons for that. Some of them are the way it's tested, which is incorrect in most cases. A patient can be completely hypothyroid, low thyroid function. In other words, you're fatigued, you're tired, you have brittle hair, your skin is dry, your bowel problems, and yet your labs are normal. Well, guess what? The doctor will tell you you're fine. That's not the case. It's obviously you have a thyroid issue. The procedure for balancing your hormones here at the Amen Clinic is really straightforward. We get some in-depth labs, and then we'll evaluate the lab work, as well as your symptoms, and come up with a hormone replacement therapy plan. Typically, this is done with creams, sometimes pills. They are prescription. These are real hormones, but they are natural. And replacing your thyroid, again, can dramatically change your life. So looking at balancing your hormones out with a bioidentical approach, which means it's the exact same hormone that your body is used to seeing, not a synthetic hormone. That's all bioidentical really means. It's a natural occurring hormone. So your body's used to seeing that. It likes natural treatments, natural hormones. And again, when your hormones are balanced, you can have a dramatic improvement in quality of life as well as reduction or elimination in symptoms you may be experiencing.